on the bell. Once the bell is clicked, you will get all notifications. Thank you. Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Tbsp cooking. Today I'm going to share with you a bitter melon. In typical Punjabi, we call it Karela. They are very bitter and I'm going to make them very tasty and very delicious. I'm going to make them in air fry. All the bitter melon are washed with the cold water and patted dry. Now I'm going to scrape the top skin. We are not going to discard it. We're going to keep it for our masala mixture, and then we're going to make it nice deep cut. Then we're going to fill up that masala inside. We're going to prepare our masala along with 1 onion, spices from my masala dabba, and fresh paste. I made it from ginger, garlic and green chili. So let's get started. So we're not going to use a peeler. We're going to discard the front end, just this much. We're going to keep the tail on. And when we're going to scrape it, this is what I meant. We're going to scrape it like this. So when we're going to scrape it, it's going to be like this. All the skin gonna come off, and this is the way it's gonna look. So we're going to keep continuing doing the same thing with all the Karelas. I'll finish up scraping the Karelas. Then I'll share you the next step. This is how the top skin looks like it, and I'm going to keep 3 Karelas as is, so you know that it can be done without it. You can keep it the same way, but if you make it this way, then it will be much tastier. So please try this way. Onion is diced, and now we're going to make nice tadka. We're going to fry them, and once all the masala will be ready, then we're going to make a cut in these. Then we're going to fill it up the Karelas. And let's start tadka. Get a fry pan, and we're going to start gas. And we're going to keep gas on high. I'll bring 1 tablespoon vegetable oil. So I'll bring ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon, and we're going to cook it. Cook our garlic ginger paste for like 10 seconds. I'll bring the onion and mix it well, and we're going to saute onion until it's nicely translucent. Cooking our onion for 4 minutes. This is how it looks. And now I'm going to bring the Karela. This is the Karela skin which we scraped it, and we're going to cook along with our tadka. We're going to cook it for like 2 minutes, then I'll bring all the spices. So keep stirring so it won't get burned at the bottom. Cooking for 2 minutes, this is how it looks. I'm going to bring the gas to medium, and I'm going to bring all the spices. 1 teaspoon cumin powder, garam masala, 1 teaspoon, coriander powder, 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper. It's going to be hot and spicy, and 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, haldi. And we're going to mix it well. Once all the spices are nicely combined, we're going to spread it evenly. On medium gas, we're going to cover with the lid, and we're going to cook for 2 minutes. On medium gas, cooking for 2 minutes with the closed lid. Mix it well, and we're going to take out in a plate. I'm going to turn off the gas, and we're going to take out in a plate so it can cool down. Our masala is ready. This is what we need to do. Just right in the middle, just like this. So once we open up, now we're going to take out the seeds. So get a spoon. All the seed, we're going to discard it. We're going to get masala, and we're going to fill it in. And this is going to be the most delicious masala. We're going to make sure that we, just like this. This is all we need. And now I'm going to keep it on side, and I'm going to work on the second one. And I will show you the one without scraping the skin. So we're going to cut right in the middle, just like this. And we're going to do the same thing, scoop out all the seed from inside, just like this. So once it's nicely scooped out, now we're going to get the masala again and fill it in. So this is all we need to do. Now we're going to press it, and if there is extra, you can take it out just like this. I will finish up all of these the same way. So I'm going to cut this one. Wow, look at this one. This one Really nice seed. If these seeds are like this, then you take it out. They are more crisp and crunchier. But seeds like this is really good. We're going to keep it. So then I'm going to get the masala and we're going to make sure that we put it inside nicely. Just like this. See, if your Karela has seeds like this, you want to keep it. So I'm going to fill up the rest of these the same way. All the Karelas are filled nicely. And now I'm going to put this one in the air fryer. And this is the basket. We're going to place the Karela just like this. So I'm going to lay out all the Karela. So we all done placing the Karelas in there. Now we're going to place this one in air fryer. Once we placed it in, I'm going to start it and we're going to keep the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and I'm going to keep it for 15 minutes. We're going to cook it for 10 minutes. It's going to start now. It's started. After 10 minutes, I'm going to open it and then we're going to move around and then we'll cook additional 5 minutes. 10 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. 5 more minutes to go. I will open it and I will check it out. How the Karelas are looking. They're looking nice. This is how they look. They are nicely dried out. I'm going to put it back another 5 minutes inside and it will be done. So I'll place it back again and it will start where we left it off. So another 5 minutes. We're almost done. We're going to wait for the beef, then we're going to open it. So altogether we cooked it for 15 minutes. That's the final beef and I'll open it. This is how the bitter melon, the Karela looks. And now I got my serving plate ready and I'll pull these out. I'll share with you. Our quick and easy bitter melon Karela in air fryer is all ready. Please try it. And if you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.